In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, we will be replacing a resonator on a 2012 Chevy Malibu. These are the other vehicles this video will work for. To get started, raise the vehicle up, inspect the whole exhaust system, check to make sure there's no leaks anywhere else. On this one, you can clearly see where there's a hole in the resonator on the bottom here. Here's the Walker part number we'll be replacing this with. Hold the new resonator up and mark it where you're going to be cutting it off. Make sure you leave at least 2 inches where it can connect onto. We cut it off here as close to the bracket as we could. On this side, I marked it in this crease, but I actually cut it over to the left a little further where the new resonator could slip inside of it. Then take your Sawzall, cut it off. Then to get the insulators off, spray the ends with a little bit of PB Blaster or penetrating oil, and then use a pry bar to push them off. And now install your new resonator. Sometimes you might need to use an exhaust expander to make the ends fit. Get it up in place, put your clamps on, tighten them down. These are a 9/16 or a 14mm.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.